Did you see that? Hey guys, it's Saba from Savoring with Saba, and thanks for tuning into my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this keto, low-carb friendly pizza. And guess what, y'all? There are no eggs in this pizza crust. Oh yes, you heard me right, an eggless pizza crust. So, let me stop talking so we can start cooking. The ingredients you need are almond flour, coconut flour, psyllium husk, baking powder, garlic powder, sea salt, marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni slices, green peppers, lukewarm water, and apple cider vinegar. So you want to start by preheating your oven to 430 degrees. Now we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. Y'all, I'm so excited because game day is almost here and we're making pizza, which is my favorite food. Pizza is the best thing to eat when you're watching the game. So I decided I was gonna share this with you, and let me know in the comments or like this video if you like pizza or if you like watching it during football games. I am gonna start off with my almond flour as usual. I love almond flour. It's such a great low carb or keto friendly alternative to traditional flours. So I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to reach for my coconut flour as well. Another great flour. It's going to give that nice moisture to our batter. Then I'm going to take something that I haven't really featured on this channel yet, which is psyllium husk. And this basically serves as a moisture agent, and it's going to keep our flour from being crumbly. So I love that. We're gonna take some baking powder, grabbing my sea salt, and last but not least, I'm gonna add our garlic powder because it's gonna give me that nice flavor of a traditional pizza crust. Oftentimes I get people saying keto or low carb variations or recipes don't taste like traditional ones, and that's not true. It can taste just as good and even better. You just gotta work with the right ingredients. So this is what my dry ingredients look like. All the ingredients before I mix them. I'm going to take my whisk and just whisk this together. So now I have my lukewarm water, and I put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here. I'm going to mix it with a spoon. If you don't have a spoon, use a spatula. Now it's time to knead the dough. So this is what my ball looks like. We're getting to the fun part now. We are forming our pizza crust. So grab 2 sheets of parchment paper and your rolling pin. I'm done forming the pizza crust. I grab my baking sheet, and what I'm gonna do is just literally take the parchment paper with the dough, place it on top of the baking sheet, and we are going to bake this bad boy for a couple of minutes. Let me get up closer so you can see. Laborers, my pizza crust is done, y'all. Looking fabulous. I'm so excited. And now the fun part, because we are going to add our toppings, and I'm actually quite nervous / excited because we're doing a taste test. I got Yo Mama's, no, okay, it's not Yo. It's Yo Mama's original marinara sauce. I know the people that created didn't think that we would say Yo Mama, but it's Yo Mama. And I've heard so much about this. Like, everyone in the keto low carb world has talked about this. I finally got my hands on some, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm hoping this is good. Don't worry, I got a backup. So if this doesn't turn out the way I need it to, this pizza's not gonna get ruined, okay? Let me. Ugh. Yes. See, I'm so strong. Okay. Smells good. It has some like a little bit of chunks of like, what is this? Tomatoes, maybe even onions. Let me get closer. It already has some seasoning in there. Love that. Okay. It's the moment of truth. Yeah, I'm hoping this is good. If you're looking for marinara sauce without all that nasty sugar and additives, this is it. I'm gonna pour this all over the crust. And I like my pizza to be saucy. Okay, so I'm not going to be scared to add some to make this the way I like it. And now, y'all, on to the toppings. Gonna use our mozzarella cheese. Our mozzarella, because you know, if you've been watching, I love an ooey gooey situation. Like I say, ooey gooey. Nice and chewy, okay? I just love cheese. That is like one of my biggest weaknesses. So I don't know about you, but I'm about to go in on this cheese because who doesn't love a cheesy pizza, especially when you're watching the Super Bowl like everyone does. Oh, and if you're looking for some other recipes for game day or some other fun snacks, I made my stuffed jalapeno peppers. I shared that not too long ago. I will put that video link above and in the description box below so that you can get your hands on that amazing recipe. And if you want some more snacks and apps that you want me to put and feature on my channel, let me know by dropping a comment below or liking this video. Now, I've got some green peppers and pepperonis. I just like a good old classic pizza. You can put whatever you want, like olives. If I had olives, I would have put olives, so I don't mind olives. It's just the mushrooms for me. Like, I'm just not into mushrooms, but I know a ton of people who love mushrooms on their pizza. And I'm gonna go put some green peppers. I just love the smell of green peppers. Green peppers. It just smells so fresh. And green is my favorite color, so I like to see that on my pizza too. So, there we go. I'm gonna add some spices to this. I think I'm gonna top this with Italian seasonings, black pepper, you know, give it a little and then we'll put this in the oven. So this is what my pizza is looking like. I've added some spices, even some red pepper flakes, so I like a little pop of color on my plate. So I'm gonna put this back in the oven and I'll be right back when it's done. Guys, I couldn't wait any longer. I am super hungry and this pizza is so tempting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut into it. And I'm crossing fingers that my taste buds don't get burned. But guys, look at this. Ooh, it's ooey and gooey, y'all. Do you see the steam? Hold on. Guys, it's giving me all types of goodness. It's a nice sized crust, which I love. It's nice and moist and soft. Yes, no eggs in this pizza crust. And look at that. You thought it was gonna be stiff and hard? Guys, it's ooey gooey. Hold on. Did you see that? Hold up. Did you see that? Hold on. Can we get an instant replay over here? Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so bomb. Look at this. Look at this cheese. Oh my gosh. Who says that if you're keto, or low carb friendly, you can enjoy the game with some pizza. Guys, hold on, I need a moment. Like, what? Who knew? I'm a messy eater, and I own that. But y'all, this right here is perfect. It's bomb. Do yourself a favor, go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions for this recipe. And if you love pizza as much as I do, show some love by liking this video, leaving a comment, and if you want to see some different pizza variations, I've got you, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Everyone stay safe, have a great game day, and until next time, happy savoring.